It's Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, down here in Newport Harbor. Had some action tonight. Caught a beautiful spotty, a nice one, 15 inches, so we harvested. Mahalo for that one. Anyway, gangy, I'm gonna try to wait out the rain and fish the high tide, but if not, mahalo for watching and see you next time. Oh, under the rock. Oh, I went in the hole now. Oh, here it comes. Come out. Whoa. Come out, gang. It's the next one. Nice. Alright, gang. This one, gang. Oh, that's a nice beast, gang. Wow. That's a beast, gang. Wow, gang. That's a beast, gang. Wow, gangy. That's a beast. You in the hole, but I got him out. See you, gangy. Another 15-incher, gangy. Harvest. Alright. Mahalo ke ako. Oh, gangy. Dock is rocking tonight. Here comes the rain, gangy. Alright, gangy. I'm gonna take cover for a minute. Aloha, gangy. It started pouring, so you can see rain's coming down kind of hard. Blustery out there tonight. I'm gonna try to wait it out. I don't know how long it's gonna rain, but I'm gonna try to wait it out and fish the high tide. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna check the Doppler radar and see what's happening. Looks like it's gonna pour right now for, I don't know, maybe till about 3:30, which is good because tide's around 4:30, so hopefully I'll wait out the rain and get to fish the high tide, gangy. Anyway, just a quick update. Since we're waiting out the rain, gangy, taking a little break. You know what time it is. Time for coffee and Snickers. Snickers satisfies. Alright, gangy, quick update. The rain's kind of slowing down a bit, so I'm gonna get back at it. Hold up, gang. This spot there. Again. The rain stopped for a bit, so I went back out for another session, but it started pouring again. Got kind of soaked, but wow, what a beautiful night fishing in the rain.